Here's a quick video on a trick to do when you are dealing with these exponents. So, like I talked about earlier, we want to make this as concise as possible. We don't want to see no negative signs, and we want to condense them. We can do that if we can just quickly analyze where things got to move. To solve problems like these, what we can do is we can always just move like terms or like bases to wherever the bigger exponent is. I have -4 up here and +3 down here. What's bigger, -4 or +3? +3. You'd rather have +3 money than -4 money, right? So I'm going to keep my A down here. But to move this 4 down this way, I got to do the opposite operation. What is the opposite of -4? Adding 4. So I'm really just doing 3 plus 4, which is 7. And now the A's are accounted for. I accounted for the A's. And now we move to the B's. I have +5B upstairs, -5B down low. How do I fix that? Well, I'm going to move the smaller one to the bigger one. What's smaller? +5 or -5? Y'all are going to say -5 is smaller, right? And we want to move this. Up here. And to do that, we got to do the opposite. How do we get rid of -5? +5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And we keep moving. We want to move all the C's to one space. Is -3 bigger or -8 bigger? -3 is bigger than -8, right? You'd rather have only lost 3 than to lose -8, than to lose 8. Now, how do we get rid of -8? I'm going to add 8. And I'm putting it up here. Boom. And lastly, what's bigger, 7 or 3? 7's bigger, so we want to subtract 3 and move it upstairs. Same answer as before. Same answer as before, but a little bit quicker. And let's give you one more example. It's going to be a lot of letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, all over. A, B, C, D, E, F. 5, 8, -4, 3, 9, 7, 4, -3, -2, 10, -4. Now, I'm going to go one by one if I need to, right? So, is my bigger A up top or down low? My bigger A is down low. What about my B? Is my bigger B up top or down low? My bigger B is down low. Right? So for A, how do I get this 5 down here? I'm going to start with my first number, and I'm going to do the opposite of this guy. So I'm going to subtract 5, which gets us 3. Oh, sorry. I want to drop this lower. Okay. Same thing. -4, +3. Start with what we care about and do the opposite of the other guy. So 3 plus 4. So we have 7 B's. C's. I have more C's up top. So I'm going to use C. And so to move this 7, I'm going to subtract 7 from 9. I'll get 2. I have more D's down low. Well, there's a secret one up here. 4 minus 1 is 3. E's. I have more E's down low. Because -2 is more than -3. So I'll have 1 E here. And F is going to go up top because 10 is bigger than -4. And I'm going to add 4 back up here. Hopefully you got this answer. I will talk to you later. Just a little quick one. Bye.